Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials: compatible iPad, Apple Pencil charged, and Bluetooth on. Start by attaching the pencil to the iPad edge or plugging in the Lightning adapter. This initiates pairing. Once done, watch the on-screen prompt and tap Connect so the device registers. Make sure to keep the pencil within a few inches while pairing. Interference or distance can interrupt the handshake. After pairing, open Notes or a Sketch app to confirm pressure and tilt responses. This verifies both connection and sensitivity. You'll now refine how the pencil feels and responds. First, go to Settings and adjust double tap, tilt, and pressure options so strokes match your hand. Next, in a drawing app, draw varied lines, light, heavy, angled, to test pressure curves and tilt shading. This helps you sense latency and control. Once you're satisfied, assign double tap to tools you use most. Then enable Scribble in keyboard settings if you plan to convert handwriting to text. This speeds note-taking. Make adjustments iteratively until writing feels natural. You're almost done. Tighten the tip, store spare nibs, and magnetically dock the pencil when idle so it stays charged. Make sure to charge before long sessions. Keep it above 20% to avoid sudden disconnects. Once in routine, install iPad OS updates to maintain compatibility and performance. If the pencil stops responding or settings seem off, reset Bluetooth, forget the device, then repair. This clears many glitches. If problems persist, try a different app to isolate software versus hardware issues. This narrows the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.